We also know that education in the Philippines has to evolve, making sure to remove all boundaries between teachers and students, which is why technology and innovation is important now more than ever.
As education advances, ASUS ensures that opportunities for digital learning from schools like iACADEMY evolves with it. These include our comprehensive education solutions, including laptops, desktops, and all-in-one PCs, enabling progressive learning in a fast-paced world.
This truly makes iACADEMY graduates not just industry-ready, but industry-relevant as well. We look forward to further revolutionizing our approach to education and advancing the technology empowerment of our students and teachers through this partnership.
This partnership with ASUS will definitely help us in our objective of producing these technology-enabled, technology-empowered game changers.